about channel topic, in-depth channel topic, because this is the thing that people are actually struggling with, and they are asking in many YouTube comments, in many forums, in many places on what your channel topic is about. For example, oh, I created a gaming channel and nobody's watching my gaming channel, nobody's watching my videos. And the problem is those individuals don't understand difference between the broad topics and the niches. This is a very, very important thing to understand, because the broader the niche, the broader the audience, and the harder it is to get people to watch your videos. Let's just start with the broad topic and discuss what broad topic is. Well, broad topic is anything that is broad and contains many niches and sub niches. As an example I'm giving to you is gaming. Gaming is a broad topic. Gaming is not a niche. Gaming is a broad topic. For example, finance is a broad topic. Beauty is a broad topic. Tech is a broad topic. Every single one of those things are broad topics. They are not niches. Calling gaming a niche is a very wrong thing, because you have, as an example, I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna give you, of course, in every single one of them, but calling the gaming niche is wrong, because same thing can be called people that play, for example, Magic the Gathering, the card collection game, and for example the NFL. They are completely different people, and there's completely different audience. They are not the same thing. Even though both of them are called gamers, they're completely different individuals with completely different tastes. And you need to think of this like that. You need to go down. You need to niche down. Do not the broad topic. Yes, first, choose the broad topic. Jumping from topic to topic is an absolute taboo on YouTube. Do not jump from topic to topic. Do not jump from gaming to finance, finance to beauty, or from beauty to tech, and then back to gaming, because you will not succeed, because those videos have completely different audiences, and you will not be able to gather them on one place. Now, as for the niche topic, a niche topic is anything that is narrow enough that it interests very particular group of people. As an example I'm giving to you, strategy games is a niche topic. Making money from YouTube is a niche topic. Summer clothing is a niche topic. Photoshop is a niche topic. As for to explain each and every one of them, strategy games is a niche topic of the gaming. Let's broad topic, for example. Niche topic is way narrower. Making money from YouTube is a niche topic of the finance broad topic. And summer clothing is a niche for the fashion. Photoshop is niche for tech or for design or whatever the other thing that you want that is actually broader than this one. You need to go down very niche, very narrow, very niched down. What we call it the niching down, because you will have the group of people, your potential audience will be the group of people that are close and similar to each other. The more similar the people that you are making videos for are, the more closer they're to each other, it's better to it's easier to create the videos that these particular individuals will like and gather around. You need to be very specific, at least at first. The bigger you'll go, yes, the situation changes, but at the very beginning, you need to be as narrow as possible. There will be a question, of course, that the narrower the niche is, the less audience it will have. Yes, the less potential audience you have, it will be more difficult for you to be discovered. But the narrower your topic is, it will be easier to retain whomever stumbles upon your videos. The people who will find your topic will actually be looking for your niche. They will be looking for your niche specifically, and there is more likely that they will stay, and this will accumulate more and more people afterwards. Niche down as far as possible. Videos that are very closely related to each other, make them binge watchable. Binge watching is another important thing that you need to consider. The narrower their niche is, the closer related your videos are, more videos people will watch, and thus increasing the chance of them subscribing to your channel. For example, if you are creating strategy games, an individual that came to your channel came for the strategy game, particular strategy game, and if you're playing the games that are actually closer strategy game, and this individual sit down and watch every single video about the strategy games that you create, there is a very, very, very high chance that he will subscribe. Even if you watch another video except the ones he stumbled upon, the chance that he will subscribe, for the second video is far, far, far higher, magnitudes higher than he will subscribe for the first video. So you need to create a content that is binge watchable, and it is easier to create binge watchable content when you are very, very niching down. Now, as for the practical examples of what you need to do with the niches and what you can go with your channels. So have a few niches at the same topic at the beginning. For example, if you are a gaming channel, I'm rotating around gaming channels because this is the thing that I know about. Or if you want a business channel, I'm going to talk about this as well. For example, if you're a gaming channel, create a topic, create niches, get content about niches that are closely related to each other, but still a bit different from each other. For example, create topics about strategy games or about sci-fi games or about fantasy games all at the same time. Create this video separately. Then don't try go for more than 3 topics at the same time. Or for example, if you are creating videos about finance, like talk about personal finance, talk about investing, and talk about, I don't know, creating a smaller business online. Like this is the 3 niche topics that are actually related to each other but not the same thing. Experiment with no more than 3 niches at the same time. Don't go more than 3 because it will be more difficult for you to create more videos. It's not just that it's bad for you, it will be difficult for you to create videos for more than 3 niches. Then focus on the niches that drives more views. Like take really close attention to the videos that are getting views. See that one of the niches will get far more views than another ones. Like eventually, not immediately. Like you need to look at them for a few weeks, maybe a few months, and you will see that particular videos will get far more views than the other ones, and you will need to focus on the ones that are getting more views, and then start experimenting with the niches that are closely related to the niche topic that actually drives more views. For example, if you are doing a sci-fi strategy games, for example, you can focus on creating videos about sci-fi RPGs maybe, for example, or sci-fi FPSs, and you will see that if those videos are getting more views than the niches before that, you will understand that you are doing the correct thing. Then you will understand that, okay, sci-fi things actually work now, and then you will go and start going up niche later, meaning that you will concentrate on everything sci-fi, and then later you're gonna go with more and more games, focusing more and more on niche, experimenting with more and more stuff, and then going up the niche, meaning that you will go to more broader towards more broad gaming, or maybe even go and completely go out of the gaming topic and concentrate on everything that is sci-fi. For example, you can focus on not just sci-fi gaming, but you can focus on sci-fi movies, you can focus on sci-fi merchandise, you can go on focus on sci-fi, maybe, I don't know, cosplaying, and you will go, your sci-fi will become your niche that actually spans several broad topics. But you need to be very careful in that. I'm talking about those stuff in a span of months or even years. This is not that you will do, for example, sit down and experiment with 3 niches in a week, then find out, okay, one video got 5 more views than the other one, then focus on that video because it got 5 more views and create similar topics, and then 2 weeks later you are already out of the niche completely and go with creating top videos about broad topics that is completely bonkers and completely out of the videos that you were creating at first. No, don't do this. These things that I'm talking about, the experimental niches, should span months or even years. Remember, YouTube is not a sprint, it is a marathon. It is really, really long marathon. It can become your future work, your future job. So just concentrate on it like that. Do not haste, do not hurry. Don't rush it. Again, give niche some time to find out whether it is good or not. This is the essential thing. Do not rush it. Just because the certain views are getting certain videos are getting few more views today, it doesn't mean that it will get more views tomorrow. And you will need to be very careful, because there are some things that is different in the videos that is not niche related, and that might be the one that is driving the views. That might be that is writing the driving views. Maybe you did a different intro, maybe you did a different outro, maybe you did something in the middle, maybe you were in particularly good mood on that day, and that's why driving views. And then you will change your niche because because you thought it was because of this topic of the video, and you find out that your viewers are completely uninterested in this topic, and because it was a completely different thing that was driving the views to that video. You need to be very, very, very careful, and the more you will create the videos, more time will pass, more you will understand it. Well, this will be it for this lecture. Let's just go to the next one.